Looking for a smarter, faster way to get around every day? This Top 12 Best Scooter for Commuting guide is exactly what you need. I've tested and researched some of the most reliable electric scooters that make daily travel smooth, efficient, and actually fun. Here on Tech and Gadget Reviews, I focus on real performance, comfort, and value so you can choose with confidence. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Megawheels Electric Scooter. The Megawheels electric scooter is a great entry-level option that combines portability, simplicity, and reliable performance for everyday commuting needs. I really like how lightweight it feels, making it easy to carry upstairs or store in tight spaces. The motor delivers smooth acceleration, which is perfect for short daily trips without feeling too aggressive. Its folding design adds extra convenience, especially if you need to take it on public transport or keep it in your car. The battery life is solid for routine use, letting you travel comfortably without feeling constant recharging. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly, so anyone can start riding quickly. If you want a practical, affordable scooter that handles daily travel with ease, this one is a smart and dependable choice. Ninebot F3 Electric Scooter. The Ninebot F3 electric scooter offers a premium feel with reliable performance that makes daily commuting smooth and enjoyable. I really like how stable and balanced it feels, even when riding on slightly uneven surfaces. The motor provides consistent speed without sudden drops, which improves confidence during longer rides. Its battery life is impressive, allowing extended travel without worrying about frequent charging stops. The frame feels solid and well-built, giving a sense of durability for everyday use. The folding mechanism works smoothly, making it easy to carry or store when needed. It also offers a comfortable riding stance that reduces fatigue over time. If you want a dependable scooter with great balance of comfort, performance, and convenience, this model is a strong and reliable option. ASKGO 1000-watt electric scooter. The ASKGO 1000-watt electric scooter is designed for riders who want strong power and high performance for their daily commute. I was impressed by how quickly the 1000-watt motor accelerates, making it easy to handle inclines and longer distances. It feels sturdy and well-built, giving confidence when riding at higher speeds. The larger tires improve stability and provide better grip on different surfaces. The battery life is also reliable, supporting extended use without frequent charging interruptions. The braking system responds quickly, adding extra safety during rides. Despite its powerful performance, it remains manageable and easy to control. If you're looking for a fast, durable scooter that delivers strong performance and dependable handling, this model is an excellent choice for demanding commuting needs. 350-watt folding electric scooter. The 350-watt folding electric scooter is a practical choice for everyday commuting, offering a great mix of portability and performance. I like how the 350-watt motor delivers smooth acceleration for short city rides without feeling underpowered. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry upstairs or store in compact spaces when not in use. The folding mechanism works quickly, adding convenience for daily travel and transport. It handles flat roads well and provides a stable riding experience for beginners and casual riders. The battery life is reliable for routine commutes, so you won't need to charge constantly. The controls are simple and intuitive, making operation easy. If you want a compact, efficient scooter for daily use, this one offers dependable performance with excellent convenience. iScooter Long-Range Scooter. The iScooter long-range scooter is built for riders who need extended travel without worrying about battery limits. I really like how its high-capacity battery allows longer rides compared to standard models. It delivers smooth acceleration and maintains consistent speed, which makes commuting more comfortable and efficient. The build quality feels solid and durable, ensuring it can handle regular daily use without issues. The deck is spacious, giving you a stable and comfortable standing position during longer trips. It also features reliable braking and steady handling for added safety. The folding design makes it easy to store or carry when needed. If you often travel longer distances, this scooter provides excellent range, comfort, and dependable performance for daily commuting. 500-watt adult electric scooter. The 500-watt adult electric scooter offers a strong balance between power and comfort, making it ideal for daily commuting needs. I like how the 500-watt motor provides smooth acceleration and enough strength to handle slight inclines without slowing down. It feels stable during rides, which helps build confidence, especially in busy areas. The battery life supports regular travel, allowing you to commute without frequent charging interruptions. The build quality is solid, giving it durability for long-term use. It also features a comfortable deck and easy-to-use controls that make riding simple and enjoyable. The folding design adds convenience for storage and transport. If you want a reliable scooter with good power and comfort, this model is a practical and dependable option. Suspension electric scooter. The suspension electric scooter is designed for comfort, especially if your daily route includes rough or uneven roads. I really like how the suspension system absorbs shocks, making rides smoother and less tiring over time. It maintains stable performance even at moderate speeds, which improves overall control. The frame feels sturdy and durable, built to handle regular commuting without issues. The battery life is sufficient for daily travel, allowing you to complete your routine without constant charging. The braking system is responsive, adding an extra level of safety. It also offers a comfortable riding stance that reduces fatigue during longer trips. If comfort is a priority, this scooter is a great option that significantly improves ride quality and overall commuting experience. Seated folding electric scooter. The seated folding electric scooter offers a more relaxed commuting experience by adding a comfortable seat to the design. I like how the seated position reduces strain on your legs, making longer rides easier and more enjoyable. It still delivers smooth acceleration and stable performance, which is important for daily travel. The folding feature adds convenience, allowing you to store it easily when not in use. The frame feels sturdy and reliable, ensuring durability over time. The battery life is suitable for everyday commuting without frequent charging. It's also easy to control, making it accessible for a wide range of users. If you prefer comfort over standing rides, this scooter is a practical and dependable option for daily commuting needs. 350-watt folding e-scooter. Another solid mid-range option is the 350-watt folding e-scooter. I found it extremely user-friendly, especially for beginners who want something simple and reliable. The folding design makes it highly portable, perfect for commuters who need to carry or store it easily. Its motor delivers smooth performance for short to medium distances without any issues. The build quality feels durable, giving confidence for everyday use. Battery life is dependable, and charging remains straightforward. I also appreciate its modern and clean design, which looks stylish without being flashy. It offers a practical balance of performance and convenience. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable scooter that covers essential features while remaining easy to use and maintain. Seated commuter scooter. The seated commuter scooter is designed with comfort and daily use in mind. I really like how the seat reduces fatigue during longer rides, making commuting much easier. The motor delivers steady performance, allowing smooth travel across city streets. Its durable construction ensures a stable and secure riding experience. Battery life is reliable, supporting regular use without frequent charging interruptions. The ergonomic design enhances comfort, especially for extended rides. It's built for convenience while maintaining good performance levels. This scooter is ideal for riders who prefer a relaxed riding style without sacrificing efficiency. Overall, it offers a comfortable and dependable commuting solution, combining practicality, stability, and ease of use into one simple yet effective electric scooter design. iScooter Commuter Scooter. The iScooter Commuter Scooter is a well-balanced option that combines performance, comfort, and portability for everyday use. I like how it delivers smooth acceleration and stable handling, making rides feel controlled and comfortable. The battery life is dependable, allowing you to complete daily commutes without frequent charging. The build quality feels solid, giving confidence in its long-term durability. The folding design adds convenience, making it easy to carry or store when not in use. The controls are simple and user-friendly, which is great for beginners and experienced riders alike. It also offers a comfortable riding stance that reduces fatigue over time. If you want a reliable scooter that performs consistently, this model is a great choice for daily commuting. 1000-watt off-road e-scooter. The 1000-watt off-road e-scooter is built for riders who want power, durability, and versatility in one machine. I was impressed by how strong the 1000-watt motor performs, delivering quick acceleration and handling inclines with ease. The larger tires provide excellent grip and stability, especially on rough or uneven terrain. It feels solid and well-constructed, designed to withstand demanding conditions. The suspension system improves comfort by absorbing shocks during rides. The battery life supports longer travel, making it suitable for extended commutes. The braking system is responsive, adding safety and control. If you need a powerful scooter that goes beyond smooth roads, this model is a dependable option for both commuting and more challenging riding conditions. That wraps up my list of the top 12 best scooters for commuting that deliver performance, comfort, and reliability for everyday travel. Whether you want speed, portability, or long-range capability, there's a perfect option here for you. Before we wrap up, before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.